So I've just had delivered the Remington Express XP in 22 calibre. So we'll open it, see what's inside. It's from pellpax, which you get free gun slit with it, which looks good quality. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Nice little gun bag, pro shop. Nice. So first thing I get is this pro shot gun bag. Quality, nice padding, zips all work good. For all what you're gonna get really for a little gun slip. Got the shoulder strap, which is good. A little handle, carry case, carry handles. Cool. Let's see what's in this box. We have the Remington Express XP 22 calibre, 12 foot-pounds, 600 feet per second, auto reset safety, muzzle device suppressor, anti-rubber recoil pad, full length checkered real hardwood stock, 2-stage adjustable trigger, 3x9x32 scope and mounts. So looks good. So I've just altered the lighting because it was a bit light. Open it up and see what you get in the box. Soft pellpax. It come to £182 I think, so that was 150 odd for the gun, and then about 20 odd delivery, so happy with that. Get a little card, pellpax, happy with the service. So yeah, gun's nicely packaged, not going anywhere, good packaging. This is the scope. We'll take that and have a look. Let's have a look at the gun. And there she is. Lovely wood that is, dark wood. Nice checkering. Metal trigger. Plastic case guard, but nice metal trigger. Auto safety. Muzzle device. Lovely, looks really nice. Remington XP 22 auto safety. Got safe and fire. Not sure how that works. I think it turns on when you cock the gun. Let's have a look at the lot of gunk on there. That shall come off as I shoot it. Brand new, never been fired. There you go. Remington Express XP. Really nicely weighted actually. Lovely weight feel to the gun. Right, I've got some 2.2 pellets, get them out and we'll have a little shot with them. This is the scope that's come with it. It's 3x9x32. It's got a zoom focus on it. Obviously I'm going to kit it out with a bit of a better scope, but this will do to get me started. As a starter pack you get a little cloth, lens cloth, and instructions and also you get some mounts. So you get the full kit to there's your mounts. Get the full kit to get going. So I'll put the scope on the gun, set it all up, and then we'll take some shots, first shots. So that's it. Got the scope on. That's the Remington Express xp22. Wanted this rifle for years, and I've just finally managed to grab one. Really nice dark wood Remington logo. A 2-stage trigger, free scope with zoom on it. Quite lightweight as well. I mean, I can hold that with one hand, so it doesn't feel cheap though. It feels good weight. So there we go. Let's have some shots with it. First shots with the Remington 22 calibre. Shooting the Bisley Magnums. Try the Bisley Superfield. So that's the Remington Express XP. Finally got it sighted in. I had to change the mounts onto these ones with the double screw. But yeah, started shooting really nice. I've been using the Bisley Magnum pellets 2.2 calibre. And yeah, I'll get some more shooting videos up once I've bedded it in a bit more and found the right pellets. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers.